Trade recap of today. So today I took two trades. It was two losses, or it were true losses. We had high impact follower news this day. I was expecting better price action, but we really didn't get it. Like I would say that's because of the bricks that we had this week, even though it's medium impact follower news. But I don't know. Really didn't like the price action today. Really got chopped into it. If you just look at this as a 50-minute candle, doesn't really look great. But yeah, going into today, I was bullish. What I had marked on my chart, also showed in the indices again. Anything too crazy that I marked out, but at opening we had equal lows here, busy here, bigger busy. This is a 3-day busy. This is a weekly busy. This is a 30-minute busy, and this is a 1-hour busy on ES. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, so 1 hour busy here, market open, 1 hour busy here, and 30-minute singular busy on NQ here, where we have equal lows. And then eventually what we did is trade lower in here. But yeah, I took trades inside of here, both in the AM session, both took a loss on there. And then just ended today there, did nothing, didn't even look at the charts. But I was bullish this day, so let's go over them. So yeah, what we did is, let's see what trades I took actually. Let me see, there's so much shop I can't even recognize the setup. So I think this was definitely one of them. Right, that was the first trade actually. So, or the second trade was right here on this. And then, yeah, so the first trade was here. So what we did is we dropped lower. We were pretty choppy here and here, but I was expecting better price action. We had PMI at 945. So this is the 10 a.m. candle opening, the 4-hour candle opening. Same on here. No, here. And then what we did is pretty choppy open again. Same as yesterday, same as the day before yesterday. And then just this week, I would say. But 10 a.m. candle opened here. And then I was having a bullish bias. This was my draw on liquidity, which is like the original consolidation in this price fractal. But yeah, that was like the low-hanging fruit. But yeah, we didn't even get near that in the AM session. But yeah, first trade was here. So 10 a.m. opened here. We have a drop higher. And then what we do is we still have these lows here. And then what we do is we drop lower on ES. Same on NQ, but on ES. And then what we did is we take out these two lows here and then a swing low here as well, which I would see as equal lows. Have an instant reaction off of that, and then have a singular SIBI off of here, which is really small. Literally, you can see I bought the top here, but yeah, that'll be the SIBI that I went long in. This was my break even, which is really tight, but never came to there. And then my first EP was at least 1 or 2, so it was a bit above this high. Yeah, never got there. Fully stop on here. Then again, I still was bullish. Still had that bias, still had a draw on liquidity. And then what we did is, yeah, the draw on liquidity was still there, but I got stopped out on this. And then I saw, okay, yeah, now we created these equal lows, which is also a trend line here. Let me mark it out. Which is also a trend line here, which we were holding. And then now we drop lower again, taking out all these equal lows while reacting off this singular busy, which is in the 3-day busy on NQ, and then also on the weekly busy on ES. So take these equal lows, have a SIBI here on NQ, SIBI here, I go to the 2 minutes, and then here. And then this looked really good in the beginning, but just entirely inverse this, and then didn't do the AM session. I didn't do anything in the AM session, but yeah, what we had here is I went long on the closure above here after taking these equal lows, on the same in time for messy inversion. And then what I had here is this is all low resistance liquidity. This is a 1 to 12 RR, so I would go break even at a 1-1 break, or I would go break even at a 1-1 because this is beyond a 1-1 RR, so 1-1 break even, which would be here. And you can see I was in a bit of profit here, and then this was break even, which never got hit. Then got stopped out on this, and then had a run higher again, and just chopping her out again, nothing here. Have a huge drop lower again, wrecking off the singular busy, and look at that low actually. Look exactly like, is this random? Like we have a singular 3-day busy here. Looking at the daily, we don't have anything in here. No imbalances. We do have a volume imbalance, but no for value gaps. Then I force a singular 3-day busy here, and that's literally the low of the day here, which is literally almost to the tick, just extending that a bit more. And then look at this on ES, that's also crazy, also low of the day. So I was using the right PD arrays, but yeah, just couldn't use it. So on ES, we have a daily busy here, daily busy here, 2-day daily busy here, daily busy here, 3-day daily busy here, daily busy here, weekly singular basically from swing low to swing high. And then literally as well here, I'm seeing this right now, I didn't even see this. But yeah, low of the day there, low of the day there. Got a huge reaction off of that, but look at this price action, like huge drop lower, huge pump higher, huge drop lower, huge pump higher, like seek and destroy inside of there, but it wasn't a seek and destroy day this day, but still. And I do think that this buy side is maybe gonna be hit tomorrow. We'll see, but I won't be trading tomorrow, so I took 2 losses on this day. And for the TopStep X account, I am down. I went from 50k $900 all the way down to 49k $700, but still following all my rules. And I just don't like the results that I'm getting. Like I know that the strategy works because I have so many data on FX Replay. I'm now just following strictly the rules, acting like exactly the data that I'm getting on FX Replay, just following it like a robot. Even if sometimes the setup looks worse, I'm just executing it like a robot, just on FX Replay. And sometimes on FX Replay it works, sometimes it doesn't, which is normal, but it works. And I'm still doing the same thing here, still taking all those setups, but it's just not working. And I don't know, like my on FX Replay, like my win rate on this here, which is 2023, my win rate is 35%, 36%, but still have like never had a big losing streak or anything. Like my max losing streak is 5, but I had a losing streak of, what is it, like 3 now. So yeah, I should be like, just looking at the statistics or the data, then I should be having a winner in a few days again. But yeah, I just don't like what I'm getting, which is, yeah, it's just it's not demotivating because I'm still motivated, I'm still disciplined, I'm still doing it, but just not like the delayed gratification in this is really, really big. And that's just something I accepted way before as well. But I was prepared for it being really, 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 really hard, but it is even harder than that, which is insane. But yeah, still following everything, have no doubts about quitting or doubts about switching anything. But it's just yeah, it's just even tougher than I was expecting, and I was expecting it to be really tough, but trading is so hard, man. But yeah, and this 50% win rate, this is still like a few months, but these are just great results that I want to see in my actual live trading, which I just didn't get yet. But time will tell, time will pay, and that's what the mindset is. But yeah, so was like first week was actually going great. But yeah, I don't know if you can see where I got from. Maybe that's not even important, but I got from 50k $900, I think, and now I'm down. So yeah, took 1 loss yesterday. Max drawdown or max loss that I can take on one trade is $333. So yesterday followed every rule again, so that's a win. Literally every rule with the risk and everything, so that's a win. And then today I took 2 trades, 2 max losses a day, walk away. That's my rule as well. Again, followed everything, followed all the how much I need to risk, what I need to enter on, what needs to happen, like everything, all the rules followed again. But yeah, 2 days, 2 losses a day, walk away. But still, this day I followed everything, so this is a W again. But yeah, just not getting the results that I'm hoping for. Maybe that's yeah, I am hoping for it. Like I'll admit it. Like I think it's obvious, of course. Like who isn't hoping for it? But that shouldn't be the case. That shouldn't be. That shouldn't be. I shouldn't be hoping for it. But yeah, it is what it is. It doesn't impact my. It doesn't impact my what I do, like how I enter. If I take emotional setups, it doesn't affect any of that. But so I think it's like okay, or it's like yeah, it's okay to be hoping for it, and then still executing everything like you are not hoping for it. So I think that's a good thing. But yeah, won't be trading tomorrow. That was the trade recap of today. We'll be back testing tomorrow again, but yeah, no trading. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you.